Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So a lot of the other dollar pairs really rallied today, but gold kind of did what we expected it to do, which was make one, two, three ways down. We definitely do have a Fibonacci bounce, so I mean, I definitely would want to be long right now, and I definitely think the trend is up on the higher time frames. I'm still looking for that 50-40, 50-50 area for a possible end of a wave 5, which would actually be the end of a wave 5 of 3 on the much higher time frames. So what would I be doing? I'm definitely still looking for three-way pullbacks to go long. The dollar pairs especially have been making some amazing 1, 2, 3-way pullbacks lately. Really good trading conditions for trend traders. So what am I doing now? I would want to be long, or I would have to wait patiently for another three-way pullback to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. At least until we get a break of structure to the downside, which if it does break this structure right here, I have this big blue arrow, then that definitely would turn me into a seller. Otherwise, I'm definitely looking for longs in a uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.